Check it out, guys. We wrapped up a Tesla Y front end paint protection film service. What this includes is the fenders, the full hood, full bumper, all the lights, mirrors, and then on these Model Ys, we include a little rocker guard down here. That front wheel kicks up a lot of rocks and always damages this area. So we wrap around this edge, wrapped around this edge, and then you can see the little seam cuts off right here. You can buy these cutouts from Tesla and have us install them, but we prefer to cut them out ourselves because we can extend it a little more. And for these fenders, you can see we wrap around this edge here. You don't see any seam. It's actually tucked in inside that. This edge also gets wrapped. We pulled this little trim piece off so we could tuck it in here. So the only seam or edge that would be remotely noticeable would be right here, but you can't even tell because we butted up right against that edge and it looks really nice. Same thing with this bumper. Tucked it here. Seam stops right there. The full hood is wrapped, so we wrap around this edge, that edge. See the little bit of a corner right there. Very seamless. Bumper install. Looking good. And we do all this by not disassembling any part of the car. Obviously the only spot we took apart was this little area with clips, but super easy. And it takes about 2 seconds. So just wrapped up paint protection film service. If you guys want to install like this done on your car, have any questions or want to do a combo of this and coating, give us a call, visit the website, we'll be happy to help.